latest on the transfer rumors, it looks like AmaZulu have parted ways with their head coach uPablo Francis. Kulandela lokhu after uPablo Francis eluze amagame ayi-3 kule league le. Useluze 3 games in a row. So decide ukuthi bamdedele with immediate effects. Uhambile ucoach, uhambe kanye ne-assistant coach yakhe leyadimsisa lapha. At the moment ucoach akanayo team azoyicoacha, usexoshwe AmaZulu with an immediate effect. AmaZulu at the moment akabiki umuntu uthi uba uzoba ucoach. But baningi ucoach at the moment abangenayo team. Ucoach nje mina engimbonayo ngibona lo mchita lo uBenny McCarthy. uBenny McCarthy used to coach AmaZulu before ayele kuManchester United. So ngenzeka uBenny McCarthy abuye ngokubona kwami ngingazi ke mhlamba. But nje at the moment AmaZulu anayo icoach ne-assistant coach ademsiza lo mchita lo uPablo isihambile nayo. Ihambe kaye naye. Baxoshiwe nje with the immediate effects. Ukubona kwenu nibona kuwumbono onjani ukuthi AmaZulu adedele lo coach lo? Was it a good choice or a bad choice? Because ukuthola ama-3 defeats in a row ngokubona kwami akusiyona into enhle leyo, but iTS Galaxy nayo isathole the same treatment as AmaZulu. Thole the same treatment as AmaZulu, but I don't think iTS Galaxy izomxosha ucoach wabo yabo, because bayalazi ibhola lalo coach lo uthi liya understand. Yizeko lo AmaZulu ngingazi ngaleyo ndlela, but ke ngokubona kwenu ngibona kumbono right ukuthi ahambe.